Mini weapons. Finally, we've got to the last small inventions of today's video. Here are several products offered by the same company, and all of them are weapons, but not the most common ones. The Pinfire Ring Gun is more like a gadget from a spy film than a real gun. Still, it's a pretty serious 2mm pocket weapon. The gun is very tiny, and the most comfortable way to carry it is on your finger like a ring. It fires tiny grains of lead, and the projectile is launched with enough power to pierce a tin can. If you want to get a more powerful weapon, but just as small, this is the perfect option. This time you're looking at two 4mm micro guns. These are the Flowbit Micro 1911 and the Micro Beretta models. Laser Pecker. Nowadays, it's very easy to make the things around us unique. The days when laser engravers were complex, expensive, professional tools are gradually becoming a thing in the past. Now, anyone with $270 to spend can get a laser for engraving things. On top of that, the device is so tiny that you can carry it even in your pocket. It may seem that due to its size, the Laser Pecker is not powerful enough and doesn't have many advantages. This is far from being true. The engraver can be used to decorate cardboard, fabric, leather, felt, wooden and plastic surfaces. The Laser Pecker is controlled via a mobile application, and you can upload literally any image to the app. The engraver head is mobile too, so that you can work with both horizontal and vertical surfaces. The resulting image is incredibly precise. The engraver also leaves no traces on the products. The Laser Pecker is not only suitable for individual use, it can also meet the needs of a small production facility. An additional $69 will make the engraving procedure safer. This is the price of the protective shield. Walk car. Our most faithful viewers know that the modern market offers a wide variety of personal vehicles. Most of them stand out for their compact size. They can be easily stored, for example in the trunk, which is considered a significant advantage. However, no hoverboard can match the size of the personal vehicle we're going to talk about now. Meet Walk Car, the brainchild of the Japanese brand Coco Motors. It's a really small and powerful vehicle that can be easily carried in any standard bag. It has a 13-inch diagonal like most laptops. It's thin and weighs only 2.8 kilograms. Otherwise, Walk Car does not differ much from conventional hoverboards. It's controlled by shifting your weight to the sides. For an emergency stop, just step off the platform. It takes 60 minutes to fully charge, which is enough for 1 hour of riding. The top speed is 16 km per hour. Walk Car is available for $1,280. Colop eMark. And here's another compact device that can make life much easier and better, especially if you have to deal with paperwork all the time. The Colop eMark can be considered one of the smallest printers in the world. It's only the size of a computer mouse. The device works in conjunction with the mobile application and gives its owner almost limitless possibilities. Printing anything just takes a few seconds. For example, you can decorate an envelope or a card with a neat colored inscription. The Colop eMark is suitable for creating labels, certificates, and labeling goods. Creative teachers can even use it to give grades. The video shows numerous examples of how and where this printer can be used. The product will cost about $330. For this money, you get a printer that charges in 3 hours and can work for up to 5 hours after that.